Outlook uses the panorama control to give you all emails, unread emails, high priority emails. So you actually get those different views that you can swipe left and right to go between. Makes it very, very easy to get context around that information that you're working with, but keeps the scope that you know where you're at. You can change the component, you can change what you're looking at, change what's going on, but you know where you are. Everything stays consistent in there. The pivot control itself, get that information in, be able to do the drill downs, be able to do a lot of analysis. The example right here you can see is the weather. But you can imagine a lot of different things you can do there. Flight information for that traveler. Be able to do shopping information, pricing information, drop that in there, and be able to show things in relation to the rest of them. Put it in very easily. Again, you're doing data binding to that, so you're not having to do a lot of work. The control itself is doing a lot of that rendering, animation, all the rest of it. And then the Bing map control, where you can actually go in and just say, here's where I want to do. Here's my coordinates that I want to do, longitude. I want to see this context around where where I'm located at right now. Give me the various information, do different filters on that to be able to pull in and give them that local information. If I'm on a phone, if I'm traveling somewhere, say out in California, I may not know what's going around. I did that just recently. Pull up the phone and say, hey, I'm hungry, find me some food, and you've got the integration in there that gives you reviews, that gives you locations, that gives you directions to. All of that's available for your application to use right there. It's already built in. It's very, very easy for you to do that integration into it. We've actually got controls that support touch. Imagine that. We've got a multi-touch enabled phone. Basically, if you're used to mouse events, they're automatically converted for you. So if you got traditional controls, if you got things that are that web, using the web controls that are used to be a clicked event, the OS itself